Hey everybody, Jacob here with KC. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install our new Pro 6 overhead kit for the Polaris Pro R 2-door and 4-door. I'm here with Michael from King's Performance. Let's get right into it. You're going to need a Torx 40 and a 13mm wrench or socket to get this installed. You can install this with a roof or without a roof. For this example, we've removed the roof. If you want to see an example of us installing this bar with a roof, check out our Turbo R install, which we will be referencing throughout this video. Start with removing the 2 bolts towards the front of the roof line, here and here. Open up your box and grab your brackets. Take a look at the angle of the bracket. There is a bend about 80% of the way down. The 80% side should be facing forward, and the light mount will reach the outside of the vehicle. Now go ahead and place your brackets. Begin driving them in using that Torx 40 bit. Do not over tighten these bolts. They don't need much force, just make sure they're nice and snug. Time to install your light bar. You're going to want to loosen the nuts on each side of the bar with that 13mm socket or wrench so you can slide it right into the bracket. Go ahead and tighten both ends on here. Do not worry about aiming it just yet. Let's just get these tight enough so they're secured. Now you're going to want to go ahead and mount the bump stop. We have a whole bump stop video coming soon that'll show you how to mount these, but just for now, make sure you have enough tension on these to keep them from moving. I recommend tightening the bump stops after you're done aiming the light bar. While we won't be diving into how to wire this, here in the center console is a great place to tap directly into power on most Pro Rs. Wait until nighttime before aiming the light. When aiming on a UTV, it's best to aim more down than you'd think, as the front will rise heavily under acceleration. Look for a sweet spot. A huge thank you to Michael over at King's Performance for installing this bracket for us. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations on future videos, please feel free to comment below. Thank you, and remember to adventure further.